No, we're just keeping busy. Let me take stuff on. If I watch the video and I have stuff in my pockets, it'll bother me.
Stuff in your pockets will bother you?
Yeah, I can talk to you.
You think people are looking at your pockets?
I think that they are. I watch Gary Vaynerchuk on stage, and he's got stuff in his pockets, and I'm like, somebody needs to take that stuff out of his pocket. There. You want the real secret to our success and our firm's success? Oh, this isn't it. Maybe it is. Mushroom tea. Taking adaptogenic mushrooms and drinking them in tea.
That's the secret?
That is the secret. We're very health conscious here.